Alright everybody, today we're going to be tying the Palomar knot. So we're going to start by grabbing about 6 to 8 inches of line here. I'm going to go ahead, fold it in half, make a loop here. And we're going to grab our hook. We're going to go right through the top of that eye. And pull through about 3 inches of the line, 4 inches of the line there. And then we're going to tie an overhand knot. We're going to pull our loop back through our knot here. So it should look like that. Then we're going to bring this around. We go ahead, bring it through our hook. At this point we can pull a little bit here. At this point we want to wet this knot down real well. We're going to grab and pull and work that loop around the front. As you can see, it's in the front of that knot now. And we're really going to cinch that down. Then we can go ahead, grab our tag end here and see if we can give it a trim here. And there's the Palomar knot. Has 100% breaking strength. Superior fast knot to tie. Let me know if you guys use this or how you like it in the comments. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.